Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add video background in Wix. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix page, you're going to go over to the menu option on the left hand corner. And I want you to tap on Site Design, which is the A in the left hand corner, the fourth option. After tapping on Site Design, you will see Page Background. You are going to tap on Customize. And from here, you'll see that you'll now be able to add an image or a video, or you can also change the color of the background. For example, I could scroll down and I could select any one of these preloaded videos or photos. So let's say, for example, this video right here. All I'll have to do is simply tap on it, and you can see it right there, the change has been applied. And you can also apply the change to other pages, as you can see right here, by tapping on it at the bottom of the page. Once you have done that, you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.